Little storyteller.
Inspector Gumdrop. A cheerful blue gummy bear with a tiny magnifying glass bounced into the gummy bear factory. Oh dear, cried Mrs. Sweetie, a pink gummy bear with candy sprinkles for hair. Someone has taken our secret gummy molds. Radom stoyal żółty żywatelny medved. Pomocnik inspektora. Po imieniu Bobbles. On почесал свою круглую голову. Who would do such a thing, he wondered. Inspector Gumdrop looked around the candy-striped walls. We must find clues. Bobbles нашел блестящий след на полу. Look, Inspector, he exclaimed. The trail of glitter led them outside, past a fluffy white bunny munching on a carrot in the sunny garden. The bunny twitched its nose but didn't seem to notice them. The glitter trail went all the way to the cozy cookie cottage, where Mr. Crispy, a friendly gingerbread man with gumdrop buttons, was baking. Hello, called Inspector Gumdrop. Mr. Crispy looked surprised. Inside, the detective saw something shiny under Mr. Crispy's baking table. It was one of the missing gummy molds. Oh dear, said Mr. Crispy, his gingerbread face a little red. I borrowed it to make a giant gummy cookie for my friend's birthday. I forgot to return it. Inspector Gumdrop smiled. Oh, Mr. Crispy, it's always good to ask before borrowing things. That way, no one gets worried. Mr. Crispy nodded. He gave the gummy mold back, and everyone was happy. Back at the gummy bear factory, Mrs. Sweetie hugged the returned mold. Thank you, Inspector Gumdrop and Bubbles, she said. Bubbles smiled. It's always best to ask if you need something that belongs to someone else. It makes everyone feel happy.
Please subscribe. Thank you.